Hi guys. Well, I am officially in New Zealand and I am in quarantine for at least 14 days. So this is officially day 2. The day I landed was day 0, so that didn't count. So I'm in a room and I have a bed, I have a nice shower, I have a nice bathtub, TV, desk, beautiful balcony, little exercise area. It's mostly a parking lot. That's really all it is. It's all fenced off, so it keeps you from wandering outside of the parameter. But yeah, so I'm just kind of sitting here and got lots of things that I could be doing. So I'm going to be entertaining you with what my day is like. And food is probably the most exciting part of my day. When they come, they knock on that door and they deliver it. I get 3 meals a day. The night before, I get to go on this Serve Me app that they've developed, and you can just select your meals to be delivered the next day. And it's worked out so far. The food is good. A little bit puny. I need a little bit more calories than what I'm being served, so I brought some protein bars on my journey. It's not the best, but I have those. I have some aminos, but I can also order more food if I want to, so I'm just kind of like seeing how it goes for now. I don't want to eat shit food, so I want to keep it clean as much as possible. But yeah, so far so good. I'm surviving. It's not bad here at all. Yeah, I'm not complaining whatsoever. I'm just happy after this long process of waiting to get in to see my partner. It's been a year since we've seen each other, and our plans were to reunite in March, and it just didn't pan out. So we were left to waiting for the right circumstances to come up where they allowed critical purpose visas for partnerships and healthcare workers and these other allowances. So we really had to do a lot to prove our genuine and stable relationship, and we had a lot of stuff. So we were we were one of the lucky ones, because apparently there's quite a few people that are being turned down, but we've established ourselves together and we've had proof of that, so it was enough. Anyway, just really looking forward to seeing him. Hopefully New Year's Eve is the day I'll be released. So they flew us into Christchurch because this is where the facility was that had availability for our flight. So they'll arrange to fly us back the day that we're released. So I flew in at like 7 o'clock in the morning. So they say then 7 o'clock on December 31st is when I get to fly back, and if all goes well, my test is negative tomorrow, my COVID test, and then my second COVID test is on the 12th day. So as long as that all comes out clear, then I'll be seeing him and back to normal life. Can't wait. I'm wishing you all well during these times and having a good prepping stage to your holiday. At least try. And I'll be spending Christmas here in this hotel room, but it's fine. At least I have technology. I can have other ways to connect, so that makes me happy. Anyway, day to day from right now, so stay tuned as I continue to share with you my experiences here in quarantine in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching, and come back for more.